Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 46. Quaestio 46. In mandato primo quid exigitur, responsio, in mandato primo exigitur ut Jehovam esse unicum illum verumque Deumque nostrum cognoscamus simul et agnoscamus, atque ut talem collamus ac glorificamus. Question 46. In the first commandment, what is required? What is demanded? The answer: in the first commandment is required that Jehovah, as the one true God and as our God, we acknowledge, and at the same time we recognize, and as He is, we worship Him and glorify Him. The grammar here is quite straightforward. In mandato primo, mandato and primo are neuter, singular, and ablative, the so-called local ablative, ablativus localis, object of the preposition in. In the first commandment, and then there is our interrogative, this neuter, singular, and nominative interrogative pronoun. In the first commandment, what is required? Exigitur is from exigo, exigere, like so. It's third conjugation. It's a compound of ex and ago. Here it's in the third singular present passive indicative. So what is required in the first commandment? Then the answer, you notice, repeats part of the question. In the first commandment is required. Then we have this ut noun clause, which is the subject of exigitur, that cognoscamus, we know that Jehovah is the only and true God. So the object of cognoscamus, which is a first plural, present subjunctive active, it's a third conjugation verb. The object is this esse clause, that Jehovah is the sole and true God, and that He is our God. And at the same time, simul et, we not only know it, but we acknowledge it, agnoscamus, another first plural present subjunctive active. And secondly, this is the second thing that is required, namely ut through glorificamus, and that we worship Him, talem, as He is. This is masculine, singular, and accusative. The adjective talis, tale, like so. This is a third declension adjective of two endings, as it's described, wherein the masculine and feminine are the same, and the neuter is different. And this is always qualitative, as to be distinguished from tantus, the adjective which is quantitative. So that we, and that we worship Him as He is, and we glorify Him, glorificamus. Therefore, like cognoscamus and agnoscamus, collamus and glorificamus are both first plural, present subjunctive, active. Collamus is a third conjugation verb, colo, colere, just like cognoscamus and agnoscamus, but glorificamus is a first conjugation verb, glorifico, glorificare, like so. This vowel change to an E then tells us that it is present subjunctive.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.